Alright, this is a video of my backyard. Yeah, update of the last time where it was just super mossy, super thick moss. I'm just trying to get rid of the moss. I'm trying to show you how much moss is actually here. You can see it's like a brick. It's way deeper than that. But I got this scarifier, started scarifying it. This is me using it. This is about 40 videos that I don't want to. I'd rather do a voiceover because it's too much. It's just constantly talking. This took about a month and a half to get to where it's at today. Still not done. It's so much moss. But yeah, here you go. The moss is pretty much kind of dead. You can see them getting down to dirt. My idea and thought process here was to level it out and just use this moss as a good seed bed, but apparently you can't do that. So after wasting all my time leveling it out, I then had to remove it, and I put it all eventually in a giant pile. As you can see how thick the moss is, and there's still more under it. It's getting a little ridiculous. There goes a pile. I started throwing it over the fence because my piles are getting too much. But yeah, I tried using the lawn mower with the vacuum, but as you can see, it's not working too well. It would scoop up the first like dry layer on top, and then all the stuff underneath that was wet would just clog it up. So I went with the blower here, tried to make it a little bit more manageable. It's taken off at least all the things that the scarifier broke up, and but obviously I found that there's a tree stump right there that was covered in moss that I had no clue about. There's another one. But yeah, this is all the moss. I'm just trying to push it over to that portion of the fence so that I could dump it over the fence there and get rid of all this, because we got to bring in topsoil. We still have about 3 inches of moss in some places that I have to get rid of before we can do anything with topsoil or seed, but that's where I'm at today. Front yard, pretty sure I almost killed off my front yard. I have a video in here of my front yard. It's coming in great. It's not even spring yet. It's kind of spring, not really. Thought I killed it off because I scarified the front, or dethatched the front. Also hit it with some nitrogen while we had a week of 50-degree weather. Looked pretty good. But even before that, my grass looked like it never went into dormancy. Here it is right here. And yeah, you can see my neighbor's is brown. In the front here, it's where it's all thin, was where the broadleaf and crabgrass took over after I planted new seed last year. But yeah, pretty much that's about it. We got to overseed the front, and then get rid of all that moss in the backyard, clear out that path over there, and then yeah, topsoil and overseed and seed in the yard, and then we should be good to go. But that's how that's the update from here on out. I try to get video. I hate taking video. It's just it's so hard when you're by yourself. But as you can see, I still have all this moss at the underneath. Even with this giant pile and how much I've already taken out and thrown over the fence, it's a never-ending battle. But that's the update.